Who are you pretending to be?
Rafiki.
Who are you holding up there?
Simba. Second, it was the finder's place. To find a place. Daddy's missing out the circle of life.
He is?
Yep, Daddy, you're missing out the circle of life. Daddy Scar, Mama, you're Simba's daddy.
I'm Simba's daddy and Daddy is Scar.
Yep, no, I meant you're Simba's mommy.
Oh, okay. And Daddy's Scar?
Yeah.
Who's Simba's daddy? Who are you?
I am Rafiki.
Oh, right. I forgot. Who's Jude? Can he be somebody too?
He can be Simba's daddy.
Does that look like Mufasa to you?
Yep.
He's sleeping right now.
And the circle. That's Simba's daddy sleeping.
Mhm.